Hello everyone, it's me Sidra from Yellow Light, and today I'm going to review some makeup products from Glow Beauty. So this is again a Pakistani makeup and skincare brand, and they have sent me a bunch of their products to review, so I'm here to review for you guys. So in case you like any of their products, you can use my code Sidra10 for some discount. इसमें जो भी products हैं अभी तक मैंने वो try नहीं किए, तो ये मेरा first time ही होगा आप लोगों के सामने try करते हुए. So let's see what's inside this box. First we have is their concealer. It's in the shade 01 Light and बस इस पे ये लिखा हुआ है. So let's see how it works. Skincare मैं पहले से कर चुकी हूँ, so let's jump straight into this. So this is what the applicator looks like. It's like a normal applicator, nothing fancy about it. So let's see how it applies. Okay, so it has a light consistency and for now I'm skipping foundation. अभी मैं इसी के साथ ही इसको देखना चाह रही हूँ कि इसकी coverage कैसी है. तो स्किन को भी हम इग्नोर करते हैं, it's breaking out so much. So let's try to cover these as well. अभी ये मैंने थोड़ा सा लगा लिया, इसके बाद मैं देखूँगी अगर तो मुझे और चाहिए हुआ तो I'll put some more. So this is the shade. It says light but it is not very fair. It has some warmth in it. Let's blend it. Ooh, it's blending very nicely. It has a medium coverage and it is very lightweight. So easy to blend. Literally बहुत easily blend हो गया. तो ये side मैंने blend कर लिया. You can see the difference. This is the shade and I like it. It's very dewy. It does not have a full coverage. It is a medium coverage concealer which can be used for every day. Let's blend this side. I actually really like how it blends. And I like the color too. और ये dry बिल्कुल भी नहीं हो रहा है. It's very dewy. ये काफ़ी टाइम से लगा हुआ है और ये फिर भी blend हो रहा है. अब ये देखते हैं कि ये acne marks किस तरह से कवर करता है. इसने एक्ने भी बहुत अच्छे तरीके से कवर कर दी है. So the coverage is really nice. I think you can build it up to maximum coverage. I really like this. इसने मेरी redness कैसे छुपा दी है. ये एरिया मेरा फुल रेड था and now it's looking beautiful. अब ये बिल्कुल ब्लेंडेड लग रहा है. I think मेरे जो यहाँ पे ये मार्क्स हैं इनको भी मैं कवर कर लेती हूँ इसी से. For this video let's skip foundation. आजकल आपको वैसे भी पता है कि ज़्यादातर लोग फाउंडेशन स्किप कर देते हैं और कंसीलर के साथ अपनी पूरी लुक कर लेते हैं. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम मैं भी इसी तरह से करती हूँ क्योंकि आपके पास इतना टाइम ही नहीं होता कि आप फुल बीट मेकअप करके जाओ. And to be honest, I really like this concealer for now. I don't know how it wears throughout the day. वो पूरा दिन आपको लगा के पता चलता है कि ये किस तरह से रहता है. But for now, the blending, the coverage, everything is so nice. And it is not setting in my lines. मैं देख रही हूँ अभी तक ये मेरी लाइंस में उस तरह से बैठा नहीं जैसे कंसीलर्स बैठ जाते हैं और वो क्रीसेस बना देते हैं. And I think the dry skin girlies will love this product. अच्छा, अब हम इसको सेट करके भी देख लेते हैं कि सेट होने के बाद कैसा लगता है. ये जो मैं नॉर्मली अपना पाउडर यूज करती हूँ मैं वही पाउडर यूज कर रही हूँ. इट्स एयरस्पन पाउडर. मैंने थोड़ा सा पाउडर ले लिया और मैं इसको अपनी अंडर आईज पे सेट कर रही हूँ. Also I added some blush and bronzer to complete the look. I think it is looking really nice. And I personally think this is ideal for everyday use. So this is how it looks like after setting my face and I think it did a great job क्योंकि इसको मैंने एज ए फाउंडेशन भी लगाया तो इसके ऊपर जो क्रीम प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो भी बहुत अच्छे से लगे हैं. बाकी I think it is looking great. I just did my eye makeup and let's move on to the next product. So next we have is their Kajal eyeliner pencils. It's in the shade white and black and these are so creamy. Let me show you. ये मैंने अपने हाथ पे टेस्ट किए थे but I haven't tried on my eyes. तो अभी मैं आपके सामने करके दिखाऊंगी but I'm not sure should I try black or white. So these are the pencils and it says that these are formulated in Thailand and these are long lasting, smudge proof and water resistant. So I think I'm going to try the black one. I don't know how to do it in front of camera but let's do this. Oh, it's very pigmented. Look at that. मैंने भी आधी आंख तक किया है and it is so pigmented and it is so easy to apply. This is like one swipe वाला सीन है. आप एक ही बार लगाएंगे तो वो लग जाएगी. So now you can see the difference. यहाँ पे मैंने अप्लाई किया और यहाँ पे मैंने अप्लाई नहीं किया. I just love it. It's so dark. It is so black. It does not feel shiny. So I just did my eyes and this is how it looks like. You guys, this is so good. I think this is a must have and this is coming from a local brand. So I think this is a 10 out of 10. Let's move on to the next product which is their mascara and this is Lash It Up Mascara. So what it does is it lengthens, it is smudge proof, it is sweat proof and it is long lasting. So let's see. Okay, so this is what the mascara looks like and I think the packaging is nice और इसके पे लिखा हुआ है instant big volume extreme volume effect. let's find out. So this is what the wand looks like, and let's just apply it. Ooh, it is so good. I'm trying so hard कि ऐसी शक्ल ना बनाऊं. Anyways, this mascara is just so good. Can you see the difference? It instantly gave my eyelashes some volume, and I definitely see it has lengthened my eyelashes. It has just opened my eyes, and I love the fact that it is smudge proof. और मुझे अब मैं आजकल हमेशा smudge proof mascaras ही ढूंढ रही होती हूँ, and this looks amazing right now. I think this is also recommended. और यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है आप अपने wand से excess प्रोडक्ट भी निकाल दें ताकि एप्लीकेशन अच्छी रहे. मैंने नहीं निकाला था, सो लेट्स सी. Yes, it is applying way better now. To be honest, अभी तक मैंने लोकल मस्काराज बहुत कम ट्राई किए हैं, और जो मैंने ट्राई किए हैं मुझे बिल्कुल भी नहीं पसंद आए. But this one is really good. It gave my eyelashes some volume, and it has lengthened my eyelashes. I have never seen my lashes look this good, to be honest. मैंने काफ़ी high end mascaras भी use किए हैं, but this is so good. So let's move on to the last product. Okay, so lastly we have is their highlighter, and it's in the shade Jewel. This is how it looks like. Let's open this up. It's like a light gold sort of color. Let's just put it on my face. So I have my highlighter brush. मैं बिल्कुल थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट ले रही हूँ, and as you can see यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा प्रोडक्ट आ गया है. Let's just see how it looks like. It is nice. So it is applying very beautifully, but I have some texture over here जिसमें ये settle नहीं हो रहा. But it is not very chunky. It has some glitter particles in it, and it is not giving some cast. कुछ highlighters ऐसे होते हैं जब आप सामने देखो तो उनका एक हल्का सा shadow type यहाँ पे नज़र आ रहा होता है. And I really like the color. I have never used such color. पहले मैं highlighters बहुत ज़्यादा लगाती थी, अब मैं highlighters लगाना बहुत मैंने कम कर दिया है. And I'm thinking to move back to the highlighter because I kind of enjoy putting it on my face. So what I think is it gives a really pretty glow, as you can see, and I don't mind the color. It's beautiful. I have never used such color, and it is in the powder form, but it is not chunky. It looks beautiful for the clear skin girlies जिनका कोई texture नहीं है उनके लिए. तो I think this is so good, and I think it will look so good on weddings and these kind of events. Love it. I think I pretty much loved everything. Everything was so nice, and this is how it looks like. What do you guys think? They have their page on Instagram. You can order these products from there, and if you want some discount, you can use my code Sidra10. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Bye.